Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your QCY MeloBuds Pro keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend it to open a QCY application, and of course your headphones should be turned on and connected to your phone. It will show you headphones menu, and you need to go to the settings at the right top. You need to find dual device connection and just disable this mode. So only tap at the slider one time and the slider have colorful background. Then go to the sound, and right here if you use spatial audio, I recommend it to switch to another preset, because you may have connection instability with the spatial audio and also with dual connection. That's why we're doing this. So just switch to some preset here and then check. Next is to perform the software set for your earbuds. So you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone, and then open the charging case and your earbuds reconnect to your phone. Sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that they don't want to reconnect automatically with your phone. So try to go to the settings if you have this problem, Bluetooth or connected devices, and then tap at your earbuds at the device list. Then is to perform the factory reset. So to perform the factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. At the bottom, near to USB-C port, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on your earbuds start blinking red. So press and hold. First let's start blinking white. It's okay, don't worry, just enter to pairing mode, keep holding this button. And now we have the red LED light, so we need to wait until it stops flashing, and then we should reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then click Forget this device button, or you may have Forget button or Forget device button or Remove or Unpair, and forget. Then you should reconnect them. So if you have Android, at the top click Pair New Device button, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have the button refresh, tap at this button, and then you will see your headphones at the device list. Tap on them, and we just did it. Now check if the factory reset didn't help you. I have one more solution to you. It's to reset Bluetooth settings. The problem is you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, firstly I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. Now on your iPhone, open settings, and then we should go to the general settings. So scroll down, click at the general line, and right here at the top, at the bottom, we have reset options. So scroll down, and right here we have the line transfer reset iPhone. Tap at this line, click reset. In this window, select reset network settings. There is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. That's why we click on it. Then write your password and click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for the iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On Android, open settings, And then we should go to the system. Scroll down, click at the system line. Right here at the bottom we have reset options. At least on stock Android at the bottom we have it. Tap at this line. In this window we need to select Reset, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!